Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to look at how to use form component control in Microsoft Dynamics 365 CE. Here, we have account record. Within a lookup field, for the primary contact, we have already selected a contact in that field. And now, using the form component control, we can display the full contact form right here on the account form. The best part is it is fully editable, so user can view and update related record without ever leaving the screen. Now click on save to save this record. Now let me show you step by step how we can enable this feature. So first navigate to the Make.Power Apps and then click on Solutions and select the solution in which you are working on. Now click on Account Entity and under the Data Experience click on Forms and then click on Account Main Form. So at present, it is not possible to include this control in the new experience. Therefore, you should select the ellipse from here and then switch to classic button on the command bar to access the classic form designer. So click on that. Once the form is loaded in the classic designer, choose the lookup field for which you want to display the information. For instance, this could be the primary contact field in our scenario. Now click on change properties, navigate to the control tab and select add control. Locate the form control component in the list and then click on add. Here you can specify where this control should be added, whether on the web, phone or tablet. In the form component control section below, you will observe that the lookup value property has been populated within the system name of the lookup field primary contact. Now click on the pencil icon and next to the forms to specify the form you wish to display here. Now open my notepad and you can copy this XML from the blog link I have mentioned in the description. You need to use the real table name instead of the table name and the form ID instead of the form ID in the text above. To find the table name, go to the tables in the Make.Power Apps. Now click on tables. So here you can see the contact table name. Now again open my notepad and replace the table name as contact. So to find the form ID, now click on contact from here. So under the data experience, click on forms and then click on contact main form. And the form ID is in the URL after the edit part and before the question mark in the URL. Now copy that and again go to the notepad and remove the form ID and paste it here. Now copy this XML. Under the bind to a static value, you will need to choose single line of text. So paste it here. Once we set the properties value, then click on OK and again click on OK. Now click on save and publish your form. Now go back to the system and firstly refresh it. So this is my active account view. Now open this record from here. Now I am looking at my account and I have got my primary contact here. And this is now fully editable. Let's give an example. So change the first name as Sumit and this is now fully editable. Now click on save. Now record is saved. Now editing that contact record in the context of the account. So in this video, we covered how to add form component control in Dynamics 365 CE. Thanks for watching.